Welcome guys. In this video, I will write the C++ program that will ask the user to enter three numbers and then it will display the largest of three numbers. So first of all, declare three variables to store three numbers: int num1, comma num2, comma num3. These are the three variables which will store the values for three numbers entered by the user. So first of all, cout, enter the first number, and store this number in num1 variable using the cin statement. Cin is used to get the user input. Cin num1, user will enter a value and it will be stored in the number1 variable. After this, prompt the user to enter the second variable. Sorry, type in quotation marks. Cin num2. Similarly, prompt the user for third variable. Enter the third number. And store the third number in num3 variable. Now I will check whether the num1 is the largest, num2 is largest, or num3 is largest. So I will use the if statement. If num1 is greater than or equal to num2 and num1 is greater than or equal to num3, then cout num1 is greater, is the largest number. Else if num2 is greater than or equal to num1 and num2 is greater than equal to num3, then the num2 is largest of three number. So print cout num2 is the largest number. if num2 is not the largest number and num3 is not, sorry, if num1 is not the largest number and num2 is not the largest number, then num3 is the largest number. So else cout num3 is the largest number. Let's run the program and it prompted enter the first number, enter 50, enter the second number, enter 30, enter the third number, enter 80. Sorry, run again. Enter the first number, enter 50, enter the second number, enter 40, enter the third number 80. 80 is the largest number. It displayed 80 is the largest number. Here I can add one more line. Cout output of the program. Now run the program. Here type the semicolon at the end of the line. Now run again. Enter the first number, let enter 100. Enter the second number, let enter 500. Enter the third number, let enter 200. Output of the program, 500 is the largest number. As you can see, 500 is largest number out of these three numbers, 100, 500 and 200. So our program is producing the correct results.